As of 2nd December 2025, Imran Khan remains incarcerated in Adyala Jail, Rawalpindi. Despite being acquitted or granted bail in several high-profile cases, including the Saifa and Iddat cases, he remains in prison primarily due to a conviction in the Al-Qadr Trust case. Here is the detailed breakdown of the specific legal cases defining his current status. 1. The primary case keeping him in jail case name, Al-Qadr Trust case, also known as the £190 million settlement case. Status, convicted and serving sentence. Details, on 31st January 2024. An accountability court sentenced Khan to 14 years in prison. The case alleges that Khan and his wife, Bushra Bibi, caused a loss to the national exchequer by legalizing a massive financial settlement, approx. £190 million, with a real estate tycoon in exchange for land donations to their Al-Qadr Trust. Current standing, while his legal team has filed for the suspension of this sentence, the appeal is still pending. Until the sentence is suspended or overturned by a higher court, he cannot be released. 2. Other major cases and their status. Khan's legal situation has been described as a revolving door. As soon as he gets relief in one case, he is arrested in another. Summary of his confinement. Why is he still inside? Even though he has secured bail or acquittal in the Toshakhana, Saifa, Iddat, and 9th May riot cases, the 14-year sentence in the Al-Qadr Trust case is still active. Conditions. His sister, Ujma Khanum, visited him on 2nd December 2025 and reported that while he is physically healthy, he is being kept in solitary confinement, which she described as mental torture. He had been denied family visits for over a month prior to this meeting, leading to rumors about his health.